Look at the room. Look at this.
What's up, guys?
Look at this. Holy shit. This is crazy. What's up, you guys? Man, we are excited. We are at our big event, the new psychology event in Seattle, and it's gonna be 4 days of fun thing we're gonna do. So tonight, you guys see, this is the day before. We are setting up the room. We got people in the background setting up, right? And then we are giving everybody the Thach bobblehead. And so tonight, we're gonna do a big networking event the day before, and then starting tomorrow is the first day of the event, and we got 2 days in the hotel and 1 day on the bus tour. So come along, folks. It's gonna be a fun journey. Does this look like me, guys?
Or whatever, I mean.
Huh? All right, we just got done setting up, ready for tomorrow, the first day. Now we are going to the networking event for all my friends who is in town, and we're gonna interview my friend Keven Stirdivant.
My mom started to shift. She really saw how quickly her life changed, mainly because she started getting exposure to all this. She was constantly going to all these seminars and seeing these people who are on panels and saying, man, if that person could do it. And so she started to try to expose me to people like Thach, actually. I'd be in my room, probably high as a kite, DJing, and Thach would come in like, oh, what are you doing, chopping it up in here? My mom probably sent Thach in my room. And I'd be like, I don't know what this dude is doing. I don't know who this guy is. Get out of my room, bro. Seriously.
No, back in the day, it was Kev and Jonas. You guys know Jonas? You guys into the clothing, LRG, right? At that time, Jonas wasn't, wasn't nobody back then, right?
It was like a sticker company. He had a sticker, he had a couple shirts, and we were just kind of doing our thing.
I used to always see him at the house, messing around in there, and I used to always try to peek my head in there and see what they're doing.
And my mom, hey, Thach, go tell him.
Right.
I wasn't trying to hear it.
Right.
And then one night, it changed. I came home from DJing somewhere, and I lifted up the garage because we lived in the hood. And there's a brand new CL 500.
Cool.
When the body style changed from the drug dealer,
Big body,
to that smooth, sleek, and I'm going, oh my God, my mom on the liar. What the hell? It was late. I don't know why that Benz was in our apartment in Santa Ana, but I knew one thing. I was driving that thing. So I took that thing out, and man, that feeling of driving that car. She told me in the morning it was Thach's.
And then everybody, I got them thinking I'm an investor first, doing their activity, and if the activity lines up to list a property. But the opportunity is right, they have the opportunity and start owning real estate.
All right, Thach, thank you so much, man.
Yes.
Tomorrow's gonna be epic.
It's gonna be fun, Bob.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a wrap. We just finished doing our networking with my man Keven Stirdivant,
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bob and Ty.
Yeah.
Got all my other peeps over here. So it's a wrap. This is day 1. Tomorrow we are starting day 2. See y'all tomorrow. What's up, you guys? Today is the official day 1 of our big event. We're gonna talk about what you want. We're gonna talk about mindset. We're gonna talk about investing. So everyone's in the room, so let's go inside.
You're not going to probably have 10 to 15% appreciation because it doesn't happen, right? Normally, that's 4 to 6. And your interest rates are going to start normalizing where they need to be. 3.5. We've been on, like I said, stimulus for 10 years. We've never been here before.
Exciting.
And they kind of start coming up. You're at 5.
So what is your definition of wealth? If I were to ask you, what does wealth mean to you? So shout it out. We want to hear from you guys. What does wealth mean to you? Time?
Freedom, over here.
Freedom?
What else?
Security? Health. Yes. That is the stuff that real wealth is made of. And yet, how often do we sacrifice some of those things in pursuit of dollars?
You can be rich, Thach, if you keep selling real estate, but you will never be wealthy unless you actually own real estate. You need to learn to be even smarter, my friend, and so pull some of that money you make from selling real estate and find a good rental property and park it so you can have passive income. And the one thing that Saul said to me and Cammie at that time that really resonated for Cammie more than me, you're 26 years old, you don't have any kids yet. When you have kids, how do you want your life to live every day in appreciation? as you are going to your destination, slow down, smell the roses as you are going to your destination. As you're going to your destination, making a lot of money, go out there and make golden dream. Appreciate every moment. Appreciate the people in your life. Appreciate your health. Appreciate your wife. You just don't know what's going to happen. And we actually want to have you guys help us. And I told this to Chris and his wife. Do you mind if I actually have 300 people in a room set out good, healthy vibe to your wife and have her surgery be successful? And his wife says, that'd be a blessing. I want you guys to close your eye and actually have Shannon in your mind, in your heart. And I want you guys to help me see the cancer leaving her body. And it goes out her body and she doesn't even have to even do chemo from this point forward. Thank you. All right, you guys, it's like 6:40. We are done with day one, and it was an awesome day. The feedback has been amazing. People are getting the big message of cash flow, cash flow, cash flow, rental, 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 BRRRR, BRRRR. So it's been amazing. Now we're about to go to a VIP party for a lot of our clients and have some appetizers. So let's go inside.
Let's go.
We have a. So you're from Florida? We don't.
No, I was born in Lithuania.
What's up, Thach? Good job today.
Yes. Very much.
I need a drink, guys. Can I get iced tea? This is my drink, guys. Cheers. So this is the VIP party. Got a lot of the clients that decided to join in the coaching, join in buying the program, want to learn more about what we're doing, and we did meeting with them and just networking with them. And then after that, we're gonna do a networking event with everybody tonight, and then we're calling it a wrap, and then we're done for the day, for day one. What's up, you guys? It is day 2 of the Springboard to Wealth event. You guys, there's gonna be so much fun today. Today, we're gonna talk about how to get a BRRRR. We're gonna talk about how to go make money to buy a BRRRR. Then we're gonna talk about how to go find these BRRRR. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. And after that, then we're gonna actually meet up with all the VIP today for our private lunch meeting. We're gonna see my friend Taro speak to these guys. A lot of great things. So let's get started. I just take it in, just what I appreciate every day. And this is how I start my day every single morning. And this is how I get myself aligned before I get going to work, okay? So with that, we're gonna start with some meditation in a minute, okay? Because I wanna get you guys in the flow, how I do things every day in life. Is there any big aha that you guys had last night, right? That you guys want to share?
Yesterday, I'm thinking, no way. It is not time for me to buy the BRRRR properties. I'm going to find the hard money lender, and I'm going to find it for myself.
Nice.
And look, I saw it in a whole different way.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know what shifted, but it's time. No more playing little.
Yes.
It's time to buy the property.
Hell yeah, give it up, baby.
Talking about the lighthouse. How he really, you know, like for Bob and I knowing Thach for 25, 27 years, and just how much he really, like, you know, he doesn't need, right? We need $100,000 a month of passive income, right? And this is about us, you know, it's about him going out and sharing, and I love you and I appreciate what you do.
And it's evolved into this, and it's beautiful to see it. It really is. I mean, you were just amazing, and I can't tell you so much as Ty did. We know him from the heart like no one else.
27 years.
Absolutely amazing. There's nothing that's not authentic as Thach is. There's no. So thank you.
This is the power of focus and energy. Thach. This came in last night at 7 o'clock. Thach, I have some good news. The surgery went well. She's in post-op now, and we should get to see her in about an hour. So good news for today. We find out more later, but we might not need to do radiation anymore. That is a freaking miracle. We have on video for you and your wife, a video of 300 people holding their energy together, sending your wife perfect health. And he texts back and says, that's a miracle. If you're in real estate, selling real estate is just a vehicle to what you guys do for your sake. Does that make sense? If you are an investor in this room, fixing and flipping houses, it's just a vehicle to get to what you say you want. Travel, creating buses, leaving a legacy. If you're a wholesaler in this room, wholesaling is just a vehicle to get to what you say you want. In order to get to what you want, you gotta trade time for money. Right now, all of us is right now trading our time to make money. So the key, guys, is this. Everything we do right now, making money, is just a job. The key is how smart you are with the money you're making so we can position ourselves to move into the I category so that we can just now trade back our time so we can go do things, spend time with our kids, and go travel and do things.
You know, it's about, you know, living by principles, you know, and I haven't really heard so much about the money yesterday, but having the priorities in order first, and, you know, what are you really doing this for? And the motto, you know, align, not grind, that's really, you know, what I'm about before even, I'm brand new into this business, and to hear that has really just been truly refreshing.
Just for us was taking we always had our business, and then we put our personal life into our business, versus the other way around, which was design our personal life and what we want it to look like, and then make our business adapt to that. And we did that 12 months ago because Thach said it. And I'm like, holy dude, I've heard that so many times, and all it took was me to finally go, oh my God, all right, I need to do that. And we did, and we've traveled all over the freaking world this year.
I just appreciate you guys for being here. I was telling Trish, now what I love about this community, we can all strive to make a lot of money, but we keep it real. What I love about this group, we keep it real, man. We have no problem sharing our failure, you know, our low times, going to prison, coming out of prison, doing what you gotta do. So this is what I love about this group is, you know, we're real. Our goal is to grow the community, help more people, and have you guys become lighthouse with us on the beach. The goal is to have being the lighthouse, man, on the beach. And we are all doing well. We beam the light out into the ocean, and all the boats that need help, they see more light, and they come to shore and we can help them. So the best thing you can do for yourself, folks, you want to inspire other people, come and be the lighthouse. I can't thank you guys enough, man, for being here, and be here for the rest of the night. And for the rest of you guys who gotta leave tonight, man, let's connect, you know what I mean? And wish you guys all the best for the rest of the year. And for you guys staying tomorrow for the tour, your mind's gonna get blown away tomorrow, I promise you.
What's up, you guys? It's Thach and my partner Mark and Stephanie.
Morning, everybody.
Today is day 3 of the Springboard event, and today is an exciting day. Today is the site tour with all of our friends and students, and you guys, we're so excited to go see this tour. So come along today on this journey. But I want to ask all my friends, are you guys ready to go on this site tour? Alright, you guys, we just got to Columbia City. This is house number 1. This is my man Moose's property right here, folks. We're about to teach these folks what's going on here today, and we're gonna go inside, okay? All right, you guys, we are at house number 2, and look at the buses, look at the people. We are going to a live site. The people are working on it right now, and this house is messy, this house is stinky, so let's go inside. You walk through it, you know how big and square footage it is. The question is, what can I sell this for? What do I think the rehab is gonna be?
A lot of things we found in here are like really rough, really bad, so I want you to be very careful walking through. Unfortunately, this one they had drywall on the walls, and then they put plaster on top. It wasn't lath, it's drywall and then plaster, so there's a lot of concrete. They even poured concrete on our floors. I got like an inch of concrete, and then they put tile on top, and there's a lot of demo in there too, so there's some sharp edges.
If you have the option to convert a garage into livable space or a bedroom to add square footage, but you're giving up your parking, would you ever eat up some of the yard to have that for parking?
So again, this is where it's important, where you got to know if you are selling the property, what's important in that neighborhood, what the people need. And if a parking is important or off-street parking is important more than a yard, then you got to make those smart decisions. After 2 days in class, now you're on a tour. Does seeing it in life and everything you learn make a big difference in touring?
It's huge. It makes a big difference.
Why?
The numbers, understanding what it's like to change the garage, raise the floor, get the rent, see the surroundings. Where are we on light rail, busy road?
That's right.
It's amazing.
All this you cannot teach in class.
Not at all.
Yeah.
It makes perfect sense when you see it in person.
Awesome.
Thank you. So much fun.
Awesome. All right, we are at house number 3 and house number 4. We're gonna take these guys in and show them how we drop the basement floor on this house, okay? So, you guys ready? Hell yeah! This floor is down 1 foot to the ground.
Wow.
See the difference?
Yeah.
Right, and this staircase was never here before. Yeah, and then this whole thing was unfinished with dirt floor when we bought this house. All right, you guys, we just got done looking at all the property. Got my friend Fatima here with me. So anyways, how you like the tour so far?
I love it, I love it. I love the location, I love the space, I love the layout. It's beautiful.
Awesome. All right, you guys, we're heading out, but before we head out, I got to do a big shout out to Rolls-Royce Bellevue for lending me this beautiful Rolls-Royce to drive. My Rolls-Royce is in again service. And then a big shout out to my friend Adam Shaheen. All right, let's roll. Woo! So we did get back to the hotel. We're eating right now. And man, all I can say is that I feel blessed because all these people here, they're all here for me, and I just feel grateful and appreciative, and just sitting here eating lunch with all my peeps. And guys, remember, slow down, appreciate everything around you, especially the people in the relationship. What would you feel about the event today? What did you get out of it?
Let me tell you, the value was not even 10x, it was like 100x. And being exposed not only to Thach's knowledge, but being around so many people who are on the same vibration.
Life-changing. I'm excited to get started. I signed up for the whole package and my mindset has been changed. My lenses have been changed.
Last Tuesday's was very inspiring. Mindset, I mean, totally different level.
Top word I have to say is clarity. Just mind blown, totally different lens, looking at things differently.
It was awesome. I feel like I got this BRRRR lens over my face. I don't even see anything else, man. I just see BRRRRs everywhere I go. So that's, I mean, just the mindset shift. It's amazing.
You know those people who are colorblind and they get those new glasses and they start crying from like all the color?
That's a good analogy.
Yeah, it's a good analogy, right? That's the lens that was put in front of me today. So I'm actually really excited to go home. I got like the fever to go back home. Never liked door knocking, but now I'm excited as hell.
But there's a bigger cause for door knocking now, right?
100%.
There's a purpose for door knocking.
There's a big why now that's in front of you.
What's up, you guys? All right, it is day 3 and it is completely done. It is a wrap. Ah, man, today was an amazing day with the tour today and everyone loved it. One person said it was an out-of-body experience for them. One person said it changed their life, and man, I'm so happy to hear all that. So we are done, and let's call this a wrap. I will see all you guys soon on the next video. Remember, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when the next video comes, okay? Until then, dream big and serve unconditionally. Peace out.